this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're driving a neat little car, 62 Buick Special, convertible. So kind of a fun car. You can see we're going 55 miles an hour. They've added gauges and a stereo system to it. Got a little V8 in them, 215 I believe V8 in them, so automatic. According to the previous owner, they just had the transmission rebuilt. So got good quality, driver quality paint, I'd call. Not perfect, a little bit of orange peel, a little debris here and there, but not bad. Very, very nice, looks good. You can see it's got a good shine to it. So kind of a cool little car. One of them that you take to a show and nobody else gonna have one. So probably win some trophies with it. It's nice enough and a very limited class. But it goes down the road nice. No power steering. I don't believe power brakes either. I know they're front drums, so I don't believe they're power either. So if you're looking for kind of an affordable classic convertible, you know, Chevelles are $60,000, Impalas are in the early 60s, or